Rabbits, a large-scale and ongoing problem, and part of a wider billion-dollar-a-year animal pest problem for the Australian government. But now we've been asked to help. Andrea Byrom and the Wildlife Ecology and Management team have secured funding for the next 5 years from the Australian Invasive Animals Cooperative Research Centre to develop tools and strategies to better manage animal pests and diseases that are present on both sides of the Tasman. Here Andrea talks more about their work.
The Cooperative Research Centres, or CRCs in Australia, are a model that are used by the Australian government to invest in key areas of research, and they range from everything from plant biosecurity to invasive animals to the beef and dairy and sheep industries, for example. So for part of last year, 2011, I was involved with a few other people, Dean Anderson and Bruce Warburton and others from Landcare, in putting in proposals into the CRC, the Invasive Animal CRC, to do some work of key areas of interest for Australia and New Zealand. And there's two main areas that are important for Landcare Research. One is around sort of developing an information hub, a go-to analysis, data analysis unit for pest management and control generally. And then the second area of investment is around rabbits and RHD, or rabbit hemorrhagic disease, and the use of both conventional control and the disease to control rabbits. And again, that's an area of importance for both countries. There are about 42 partners in this new CRC that starts up in July 2012. We've chosen 3 key partners to work with: CSIRO in Canberra, the University of Queensland, and also the University of Adelaide. And between those 3, we felt that in particular they would provide all the expertise that we felt we could really drive this area forward. So this is an opportunity for us to really broaden and deepen some of our connections with key Australian agencies who we think will come to us with problems that we can help solve. So there's a real outcome-driven component to this, as well as some really nice linkages to some good quality universities where there'll be a really strong focus on science excellence as well. So we've sort of got both in the mix, and we're really hoping that this will be great for the future beyond the life of the CRC, both for Landcare Research and for our partners in Australia.